It's not like that Burrow could talk about it anyway.
Exactly. He's going, cool, I'm going to start going to all those fucking places and giving them your name. That's a great idea.
Shit, that looked like that was right in there.
Is it right under the tank?
It looked like he was right in there.
Yeah, he's just at a different angle than we are.
Yeah. I don't think he might be able to.
No, he's groundhogging, prairie dog in there.
It's probably too low for him to hit. Oh, so we'll take that one.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Here it comes. Doink. Looked like it just blew the bottom out of that.
Just implodes him.
Oh, that one's going even higher. And
Nice.
impact with their ground in 2, 3, 1, 0. Boom.